Hey guys, do subscribe, comment and like. Your feedback is valuable to us. In today's video we are going to see how to make cosmetic threads. So let's start. First of all, go to sketch and select front plane. Now choose polygon. Draw it on origin point. Okay, now select smart dimensions, select these two lines and make it 20 millimeters. Now go to display relations and select here add relation, then select these 2 points and make them horizontal. Okay, now exit the sketch. Go to features and select extrude boss and extrude it up to 10 millimeters of length. We have to make upper head profile of bolt. So select this face and go to sketch. Make it normal. Select circle and start to draw from origin point. Then select smart dimension and give it 20 millimeters of diameter. Now exit the sketch and go to feature and select cut extrude command. Now here select draft and give draft angle of 60 degree. And check this box flip side out. And click OK. See, our bolt head is looking better. Now we are making remaining portion of bolt. So select this face and go to sketch. Make normal to plane. And select circle. Draw it on origin point. And give it 12 mm of diameter. Okay, now exit the sketch and extrude this circle up to 70 millimeters. Click OK and select chamfer command. Select this edge and give 1 millimeter of chamfer and click OK. Now we have to make cosmetic threads. So simply search here cosmetic threads and select this command. Now select this edge. Select here ISO grade, select here machine threads and select here threads of M12 size. Make here blind and give 60 millimeters of thread length. Now click OK. See, our thread is not generated here, so select this setting icon, select options and go to document properties. And select here detailing and check this shaded cosmetic option. And click OK. Now see, our cosmetic thread is visible. Now give some appearances to this bolt, so select this part and go to appearances. And select here burnished steel metal and make it OK. Thanks for watching, friends. Please subscribe, like and comment to our channel.